Are you tired of battling mood swings, cramps, or hot flushes? Imagine a natural solution that works with your body, not against it. That's where acupuncture steps in. From our first period to menopause and everything in between, being a woman means navigating a whirlwind of hormonal changes. But what if there was a way to feel more balanced, more often, naturally? Acupuncture has been trusted for centuries to support women's health. For those rough PMS days, it can help ease cramps, lift your mood, and even calm those dreaded cravings. It works by encouraging your body's natural flow and restoring balance, so you feel more like you every month. Struggling with fertility or hormone imbalances? Acupuncture gently nudges your hormones back into harmony. By improving blood flow and reducing stress, it creates the ideal conditions for your body to thrive. Whether you're trying for a baby or just want more regular cycles, pregnancy can bring its own set of challenges: nausea, aches, and sleepless nights. Acupuncture offers a safe, side-effect-free way to ease discomfort and support your body as it changes, so you can focus on the magic of growing new life. And when menopause arrives, acupuncture can step in again. It helps manage hot flushes, night sweats, and mood swings without medication. Think of it as a reset button for your body and mind. The best part? Acupuncture is natural, gentle, and tailored just for you at every stage. So whether you're tackling PMS, pregnancy, or menopause, you don't have to go it alone. Give your body the support it deserves, the natural way.